going to replace this external water connection. It's very rusty, and in fact the middle of it is kind of rusted out, and just messed up the paint a little bit, just running down with the rusty water running off of that. So pretty simple. Just got 3 screws and some butyl tape underneath. I've already taken those screws out, so this is just going to come off of here. That came off. I had already disconnected the copper tubing from the inside, so I've got a new one of these. I'll scrape off the butyl tape, put some new butyl tape behind the new one, connect it. I'll have to take this elbow off and put it on the new one, and then feed that through there and then connect it on the inside. Here's the new water connection, and so you can see it does not have the elbow. I took the elbow off, and I'm going to put that on here. I've got some thread tape on there. I'm going to screw that on, and then I'll be able to fish it through the wall, get that new butyl tape behind it, and connect it all up and put the screws back in. Alright, I've got this brass fitting elbow attached and tightened up nicely, and thread tape put on it so that when I put it through the wall I'll be able to attach it to the copper tubing on the inside. And I've also got the butyl tape put on the back of this so that it'll make a good seal, and when those 3 screws go through there, they will go through the butyl tape and make a good seal on those holes. And this new water connection didn't come with any screws, so I took the old screws out, and I used a wire brush on them good and got them cleaned up good, and then I just hit them with some white spray paint, so they'll be good to go. So here's where it came through the wall on the inside of the camper, and this area is behind the bed, so when the bed goes back in, it'll cover that up. Well, the sun went down on me, but here's the finished product on the outside. Butyl tape behind there sealed it real well.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up, and I've got a lot more projects to complete on this vintage camper. So if you'd like to keep up with the progress here, go ahead and subscribe by clicking on the wheel in the lower left corner there. Some of the things I'm going to be tackling in the near future are we're going to be painting the interior. We're going to be installing new flooring. I'm going to put in a new kitchen counter, take out that the old stove, put in a new stove top and a convection microwave. Going to paint the tongue and the gas cylinders. Going to put it in a new tow vehicle connection and put in new LED exterior lights, and I'm sure there'll be lots of other things I'll be doing too. So we'll see you next time.